Hello viewer, this is the style I'll be showing you today, and these are the materials I will be using for the video. They have used the sand bead, this is the crystal bead, and this is the sand bead. Now you can use one color, but in these tutorials I'm making use of two different colors. So I'm starting it now. So in this video you'll be needing this. To do this work you need needle. So you ask for, when you get to where they said bead, ask for needle for bead. So that is what we use to be doing this time. So I'm going to be picking it. I'm going to be taking, first of all, I take one crystal bead, followed by one sand bead, one crystal bead again, one sand bead, until like that. So take one crystal bead, one sand bead, one crystal bead, one sand bead, to, that is the 3-3. So I'm going to be tie it round shape. Tie it round shape like this. Round shape. Tie the round shape like this. So after tying this, I'm going to be picking this thing, this sand bead 6. Like I said, I'm using two colors. You can use one color if you like, but I'm using two colors. So you're going to be picking 6 sand bead. 6 bead. I collected 6 bead, and I'm going to be passing it through the beads. Don't pass it through this crystal bead. Jump this crystal bead to this sand bead. Don't pass it through here. It's through here to this sand bead. Look at how I put it and bring it out from the crystal bead, from the sand bead, not from the crystal bead. So this is another 6 I picked. Like I said, jump this crystal bead to the next one, to this sand bead. Bring it out from there. So I'll take another 6 again and see, pass it through the red bead, through the red bead here. See the red bead. Don't pass it through this crystal bead, no, it's through this sand bead. We pass it through it. Bring it out. So I've done the 3. This is the first, second, third. So for me to start the second, to continue doing it, start from this. Pass your needle through this place, from the down, from this bead here. Pass it up and bring the thread up to this side. See what I'm doing here, and bring it out. Now bring it from the down here. I pass from this down here where this thread ends. I from there pass the thread. So I count the 3, 1, 2, 3, and bring the thread up like this for you to continue the next one. Now I'm going to be putting the crystal bead now. I'm going to be putting crystal bead now. Crystal bead again, 1 like this. In this time around, you're not adding any sand bead, just that crystal bead. Just the crystal bead. The crystal bead I took, and come to this side. Pass it through this one. That is why I use two different colorful beads, so that I will know where to pass it. Because if you use one particular color, you may not really differentiate the where you're supposed to pass it. That is why I use this thread. I should be able to know that where the thread will be passing is through this red bead here. So I'm going to be, this is the crystal bead I took, and pass it through this one. In this time around, you're not going to pass the needle from this down. No, it's from this upside, this red bead up here. That is where the needle will now, you will pass the needle through. Look at it here, how it's going to form. Look at it, it's forming already. Look at it. Look at it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing up to this last one. So this is the second one. Remember, this is the first one I just took. Now this is the second one. I'm going to be putting it this side. Use your hand to be supporting what you are doing. See this red bead here? Pass it through the red bead. Even if you want to use one particular color, make sure you know where the thread is. The middle is where the middle is. Now look at it here. what I'm doing now. See it now. It's forming already. I'm going to do the last one. The last one here, the last bead, before I will now start to use my sand bead. In this work, you really need a bead needle. That will help you a lot. So I've done it now. Look at this now. See, this is forming already. So this is how you're going to be taking it, or to get to the size you want your necklace to be. The next one now, I'm not going to be taking this crystal bead. I'm going to be taking my sand bead again, and I will take it round again, and the same thing again. I will go for this, just like that. We're doing it until you get to the size where you want it. Now I take another 6 again from sand bead. And remember, this is where that crystal bead ends, and this is the sand bead, the 3 sand bead. We're going to be passing it through this red bead again.
It's another man's responsibility to correct the person that has been affected.
And this is how it is again. See the shape again. It's coming out again. The shape. See the shape again. So I'm going to be taking another 6 sand bead again. Remember, I'm not passing it through this crystal bead. I'm passing it through this red bead there. That is why I use 2 colors, so that I will know where the red is. But if you know you can know where the particular color of the bead you are using, you can. But with this one, I'm using this thread for me to know where I will be passing my needle through. Look at it, it's forming already. Look at how it is. So I'm going to be taking another 6 again. Remember, it's 6 I'm taking for this sand bead. Is 6, 6, 6. Look at it, it has started forming. So the shape has started coming out. This needle here, the end of where this thread ends, for you to bring it to start the next one, putting a crystal bead, you pass your thread under this place. From the under, and bring it up from this red side again, so that you can start, for you to start the second, that is the third step of it. So I bring it out. I pass my thread from this end side here. I count 1, 2, 3 up there, and I bring it out from this red side for me to start putting crystal bead. And bring out the thread like this and pass out this crystal bead. So remember this shape I'm forming here. Look at the shape here, 1, 2, and 3. So these 3 shape here, this crystal bead will be entering inside there. So I've passed my thread from this place that I counted 1 to 3, and bring out the fishing line and put this crystal bead here. So this is where I'm going to put it. Like I said, you're not going to count 3 again from here. You just put it from this side, this red bead here. I bring it out from the red bead and draw the line and draw the fishing line. This is how it looks. Look at the sizing. So I'm going to be taking the next one, the next crystal bead, and this is it here. I'll pick 1 crystal bead like this. So I've taken this one, the second bead, like this, and pass it through this thread that like I said. I pass it through the red, and look at how it is now. Look at how it is. The last one here, take my bead, and this is it. I pass it through this red bead again. like I said, this is the last one. So I've passed this first bead, second bead, and third bead. See how it come out very good. So the next one, you'll be to start the next one, you'll be taking this sand bead now. Take the sand bead, jump from this crystal bead to this red bead, and take another 6 again, and jump this crystal bead to this red bead, and bring the thread out, and jump this crystal bead again, and pass your thread through this red bead and bring it out. After that, you draw your fishing line out of it and start putting your crystal bead again, just like the way I did this one. This style is very easy to make. Just follow the method the way I did it, you will get the formula. Depends the length of the length of the necklace you are making. You can make depends in the size you are making. Just give it a try. Friends, this is the style I'll be showing you today, how I make this style. Please, before watching this video, help me to subscribe on this channel, like this my video, and share this my video. This style is very simple and easy. This is how the box looks, how I use hook to do the finishing. Once you follow the procedures, you will understand how to make it. These are the materials I use. I use a sand bead. I use 2 colors of sand bead and crystal bead.